Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. In this video, I'm going to talk about the continued services that I've got. I just launched last week called Deep Analytics, Quant Deep Analytics. There's a lot of advantages with it, but the one that most people will most likely be interested in is in my watch list. These are 100% ETFs. And what you need to be concerned about is if you're using a financial advisor, you're beating the market. If you are doing it yourself, or you're beating the market, because if you're not beating the market, there's two forces going against you. If you're in the US, a falling US dollar means that your dollar outside of the US is getting more expensive. Plus, you're also still facing elevated inflation. So you have to ensure that your performance, wherever your income, wealth building is beating both US performance or negative US performance, if that's the case, and inflation. And they will start also, uh, most likely start increasing taxes moving forward. Anyways, but here's the what you need to be we're very cognizant of. So this is for the last year. This is my watch list. You can see the measurement time over the last year, being June 7th today. And this right here, the yellow line is the benchmark. That's the QQQ. Okay, benchmark QQQ. So the strategy is the basket of ETFs that have been chosen over the last year that has been outperforming the market. So you can see that started in around March, April. And you can see here the other important factor to take a look at is you want to be over one with your basket of ETFs. That is a very, very difficult thing to do. On top of this is what the market's currently giving you, the QQQ benchmark. Okay. So you need to be ahead of that. Now, the other big thing is that this started in March. So if you are aware, you're watching this every day, knowing exactly what ETFs to follow. Those ETFs are also available on interactive brokers globally. So these are not like some wonky ETF to get this performance. They're fairly low risk, actually. A good chunk of them are under $100 per unit. And you can see the really good performance here. If you look at the overall annual return of the CAGR, 71%. And the other big one I like to use is this one right here, is the monthly returns, well over a couple of double digit. I did put up I believe it was a podcast on what's the average return people are expecting, 3%. So you can see here that this is easily blown the doors since January, all year for 2023. That is blowing the doors off of that. So only one negative year. But as I said, this has started really since March where it started to outperform. So this is what it's about. Now, if you want to know more about this service, your best bet's to get onto our email list at quantlabs.net/books. In there, you'll get how to beat the markets, as well as some other stuff about secret trading, trade secreting, PDF, and a bunch of videos as well to just to educate you. Those are all free. So that's pretty well it. Again, that's quantlabs.net/books, and we shall talk to you later. Thanks.